Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung range burner head. It's going to be a very easy repair and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new burner head. The burner head directs the gas from the orifice to the burner. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to change the part, we have to lift the grate off. All you have to do is lift it up, set it aside. Once you have the grate out of the way, we can take the burner cap off, just lift it off and set it aside. Then the burner head's right underneath. All you have to do is lift it off and pull it off the range. Here's the old burner head next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new burner head on, just have to line it up so the igniter comes through the hole and set it in place. Then you can put the burner cap back on and set the grate back in place. Once you have that on, you can plug the range back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.